guys, my name is Artur Pires. I run Mapgreen Motorsports with my father Marcelo. We are in business for about 35 years, that being 30 years in Brazil and 5 years in the United States. Before Torque360, to be honest, it was tough. When we started the shop, I used to do all by my own, taking my time, Excel, sheets, all that stuff. I lost a lot of money, time, especially time. We figured out we could have everything done much easier and everything in one place, keeping everything I needed to be done. So that including the autosave. God knows how many times I did my Excel and it didn't autosave and I lost everything I had in there. That the signature feature is crucial for us. We do performance, so as you guys know, a bunch of performance parts has no warranty. So we got to Torque360 through a lot of research, and Torque360 was the only one that checked all the boxes I needed for the price. Torque360 brought to me calm and peace to do my work and not be worried about losing some papers and don't know what to charge my client. So on 2026, our plans are to do as much tune as we can for you guys. Thanks to our continuing partnership with Torque360, we'll be able to do so. And honestly, if somebody asked me to rate them on a scale 0 to 10, it will be, if I could go past 10, I would go, because they really helped me and save a lot of time and money from me. So honestly, if you have a repair shop, mechanic shop, performance shop, it is the way. And I hope we can continue this partnership for a long time.